In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove text from a video in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally added the wrong title, want to replace on-screen captions, or just need to clean up your timeline, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. The best part is, you don't need any advanced editing skills to do this. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. From your dashboard, locate the project that contains the text you want to remove and click to open it in the editor. Once your project loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom of the screen and the preview window in the center. This is where all your video elements are organized, including video clips, audio tracks, images, and text overlays. To remove text from your video, you need to locate the specific text element on the timeline. In Clipchamp, text is usually placed on its own track above your main video clip. Scroll through your timeline and look for the text layer. It may be labeled as text, title, or show a small T icon depending on the template you used. Make sure your playhead is positioned near the text so you can clearly identify which layer controls the words showing in the preview window. Once you've found the text you want to delete, right-click directly on that text layer on the timeline. This is an important step because right-clicking ensures you're selecting the correct element and not accidentally modifying your video clip underneath. When you right-click, a small menu will appear with several options related to that text element. From the menu that appears, click on Delete. As soon as you click Delete, the text layer will be removed from your timeline. You'll immediately notice that the text disappears from the preview window as well. That's it. The text has now been completely removed from your video project. If you have multiple text elements in your project, you can repeat the same process for each one. Simply locate the text layer, right-click on it, and select Delete. If you accidentally remove the wrong text, don't worry. You can quickly press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo the action and restore it. After deleting the unwanted text, take a moment to play back your video in the preview window to make sure everything looks clean and flows naturally. This is especially important if the text was timed to appear at a certain moment, because removing it might slightly change the visual balance of your scene. If needed, you can adjust other elements on the timeline to keep your edit looking polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save or export your project. Click the Export button in the top right corner, choose your preferred video resolution, and let Clipchamp process your updated file. Your video will now be exported without the text you removed. And that's all there is to it. Removing text from a video in Clipchamp is as simple as opening your project, right-clicking the text layer, and clicking Delete. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.